students, in the previous video you have solved practice set 1.3. You are also familiar with the terms like universal set, subset and complementary set. You know how to draw the Venn diagrams. In today's video we are going to study operations on set. We know the basic operations that are used in maths. Which are the basic operations that are used in maths? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the basic operations that we use in maths. Now, we are going to study operations on set. So, first operation on the set is intersection of two set. What do you mean by intersection of two set? Suppose we have two sets A and B. The set of all the common elements of A and B is called as intersection of set A and set B. It is denoted as A intersect B and it is read as A intersection B. I will repeat, what do you mean by intersection of two sets? Suppose we have two sets A and B. The common elements of this set A and B is called as the intersection of A and B. It is denoted as A intersection B. This is the symbol used to show the intersection of two sets. And it is read as A intersection B. To understand this in a better way, I will give you some examples. So the first example is, I have set A. The elements which are present in set A are 1, 3, 5, 7. Now set B. In set B, the elements which are present in set B are 2, 3, 6, 8. Now what we are going to find out? We are going to find out A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? Common elements which are present in set A and set B. So over here, which are the common elements? 3. Only one element is common, that is 3. Now this same A intersection B, if I want to show by using the Venn diagram, this is set A, this is set B. This portion shows intersection. Now which is the common element over here? 3. So I will write this 3 over here. I will complete the set A. Set A has how many elements? 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the elements which are present in set A. And 3 I have already written over here. So remaining I will write in set A 1, 5, 7. So this is your set A 1, 3, 5, 7. Now set B, common element I have already written over here. Now I will write the remaining, that is 2, 6, 8. This is set A. This portion is A intersection B and this is set B. This is your first example. So student, you copy down the first example. Second example, set D, it consists of the following elements 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Set E, it consists of the following elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we are going to find out D intersection E. So what is D intersection E? Common elements. We'll underline the common elements over here in these two sets. So 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are the common elements. So how many elements we have got in D intersection E, only two elements. That is 4 and 8, because 4 and 8 are common in the set D and E. Now the same we will show by using the Venn diagram. So this is set D, set E. Intersection will show the common elements 4 and 8 in this area. Now we'll complete the set D. 4 and 8 we have already written over here. So the remaining elements will write in set D. 3, 5, 7, 9. Same way remaining elements will write in set E. That is 2, 6 and 10. This is set D. This portion shows D intersection E, and this is set E. So this is your second example. Copy down this example. This is the third example. Set P. Which are the elements in this set P? A, E, I, O, U. Set Q. Which are the elements in this set? A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we'll write P intersection Q. So what is P intersection Q? Common elements. A. Find out the common elements. So A is the first common element. Then E are the two elements which are common. So we'll write this A and E. So what is intersection of this P set with the Q set? Only two elements, that is A and E. If I want to draw the Venn diagram, I will draw the set P, set Q, intersection. So A, E, common elements I am writing in this area. I will complete the P set. A, E I have already written in this intersection. So remaining elements I will write I, O, U. Set Q we will complete now. A and E we have already written. So remaining elements we will write. Which are the remaining elements? B, C, D and F. So this is set P. This portion shows P intersection Q. This is your set Q. This is the third example. Students, you copy down this example.